Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial, which is about this square base that I am going to use for my next project, which is another small bag. So I thought this will be interesting for you as well in your projects. I used the Fist Stitch for this project. I have used the Catania 100% cotton, as always, by 2. I will drop the link in the description box about the materials. I used a 3mm hook because with this kind of thickness I usually work with this kind of hook, which is really good. I will drop the links in the description box. If you are interested in this square base for bags, and you just have to keep watching my tutorial, and then at the end I will make a summary of the whole pattern. So before I start my tutorial, you know the drill, give me a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, I hope you like this tutorial and my other tutorials, and you become a subscriber and hit that bell. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want to support my work, just check my Etsy shop for patterns and things like that. And let's just get into it. First I will make a magic circle. And now 8 stitches. Pull the yarn. So now I will start around number 2 and I will do the V-stitch, of course. The first stitch is going to be one of the angles of the square. So at the first stitch I will have 3 stitches in one stitch. Now we're gonna have to the next stitch 1 single crochet in 1 stitch.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
5th round we had 7 stitches, so you see the progression is by 2. So this is how it's going to be for the 6th round. It's going to be 7 plus 2.